Hello, welcome to our special episode on Lodging Now. My name is Dr. Tushar Patel and I am your host. Today we have privilege to have several distinguished individuals of hotel industry with us to give some information on membership hotel organization MHO Hotels. Welcome Team MHO, CZ Patel and MZ Patel. So let me start by asking a question to you, Mr. MZ Patel, who is the founder and CEO of MHO Hotels. How did the whole concept of starting MHO Hotels came or evolved, and what challenges you faced before a successful launch earlier this year?
Okay, the idea came about 2008 was when with the invoice coming up from used to be only like two-line statement, and when they came out in 2016-15 onward, it came out almost 32 plus line. And that's the idea came out. I said that's just too much we're paying right now. Let me start our own franchise. That's what they came out idea, and then I talked to my brother about that, and he was supporting me that.
So since how long you had this in your mind?
Almost about I was working on since 2008 I want to do the start my own franchise, but thinking about it, think, and finally came out one point we need to do MHO because it's so much expense.
So the actual thing came into effect in 2020.
It is, yes. When we did launch in February 16, 2021, we did launch. But we started already from 2019 to do all the works, and we started from that.
So now we know a little bit about MHO Hotels. CZ Patel, who is the chairman of the organization, can you tell us what is the mission, vision, and objectives of MHO Hotels?
Our vision is to provide quality, profitable, and collaborative platform for hotel owner. Our mission is at MHO we pledge to provide exceptional experience for our member while going above and beyond their expectation. We build strong bond with our member and the community we serve.
Thank you so much for giving that mission, vision, and goals of the MHO Hotels. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's welcome Keshin Patel, who is the COO of MHO Hotels. So can you also give some information on MHO Hotels as well as the accomplishments since its inception earlier this year?
So with MHO Hotels, we've achieved quite a lot in such a short space of time. So we launched in February, as everyone knows, and we've already got 12 properties on board, and we've got a potential 20 in the pipeline. By the end of this year, we hope to have 50 properties on board. Why we've got so many potential properties is we have 5 minimal requirements. I can count them on my hand. So first is clean rooms and a clean property. Second is a working condition equipment. So all the equipment must be in working order. Third is Wi-Fi in the property. Fourth is staff must wear uniforms. And fifth is coffee in the lobby. Now they're very simple requirements that everyone in their own property already properly fulfills. So that's why people find it so easy to come on board with us.
Wonderful. So what are the advantages of joining the MHO Hotels versus other franchise?
Like I mentioned, we have minimal requirements. Additionally, we have no hidden costs. We have no liquidation fees. We basically follow a simple structure, which is you run your property the way you want to run your property. Just follow some simple regulations. As you know, we have a lot of hoteliers in our team, okay, and they understand all the nuisances that all these property owners face with franchises and this little requirement, this minimal requirement here or there. We don't want to give the hassles. Our goal is to get you an ROI, okay? Now, in order to do that, we just want to make it really simple. Simple means you run it your way. We're just going to be there as a guidance. In terms of why we're providing an all-in-one package, reason is to make your life simple. So a hotelier has simple requirements, and like we say, one size does not fit them all. 25-room independent property is not the same as a 60-room defranchised property. We know that, and that's why we adapt the packages according to what property it is, and we only have a one set fee. So we're not going to say there's this system fee, that fee, this fee added on. No, it's going to be a set fee. That's going to be your monthly fee, and nothing changes.
So you want to make it hassle-free for
Hassle-free, totally. And again, we just want to be a guidance. It's more of a help. MZ, he started this with the goal of, I've been stuck with these franchises for so long. Why can't I do something for other hotel owners that are facing the same issues I am? I want to make it simple. We're probably one of the only franchises that our franchise lawyer told us that, wow, you guys are so much more vested towards the franchisee than yourselves.
So service-oriented is the goal.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's welcome Ketan Patel also, who is the Senior VP of the Brand Management. What can you tell the hotel owners about maintaining brand standards and regulations?
We at MHO Hotels require three main things: good service, having a clean room, and having everything work in your room. Those are three basic things as hotel owners we could actually go by. Again, bottom line, it's all about the ROI. Money should be in your pocket, not in our pocket.
So what else can you tell our viewers about MHO Hotels if they want to learn more things about MHO Hotels?
Well, for MHO Hotels, we're a brand that will fit any type of hotel. Single, double story, interior, exterior. We have different models within MHO Hotels that will fit your hotel and motel.
Wonderful. I'm going to ask you, all three of you, departing words for this segment today. So I'll start with MZ.
Sure.
I want to say that if you join with MHO, I don't think so you lose anything. And we have not long-term contract. We do have a very short contract. And if you do, you will be happy with us. That's our guarantee. That's how we're giving you best package for us. And I know my previous experience. We will be all, you guys all will be happy to join with us.
So MZ, wouldn't you say that being part of SBA is a benefit as well?
Yep, sure. And our all brand approval from SBA, even including the power by MHOs, MHO, all that including the power for SBA.
So our brand is overall SBA approved, and so if banks, lenders are required for you to have certain regulations or rules, MHO Hotels is SBA approved.
It's true.
And I just want to touch on, again, what MZ said is, look, we're so confident in it that you'll be happy and you'll be fulfilled in terms of your business with MHO Hotels that we're even giving the first 100 properties their first year free. So like he said, no contract, no long-term contract. We don't want to tie you down. We're not these other brands that are saying, no, pay us for 5 years. No, we've got a breakaway, it's a yearly contract, and it's something that we're so confident in ourselves that you'll be happy. That's why we're doing that.
Perfect. Again, it's about the bottom line. Money in your pockets, not in our pockets.
So what do you see MHO Hotels go next 5 years from here on? What is your goals? And
so our goal is to at least reach the 250 properties, which, looking at our trajectory right now, is very easily achievable. But the other main goal is to make sure everyone is happy. And it's not that, oh, this franchise is going to get so big and they're just going to start acting like other franchises. No, we are who we are. We are run by hoteliers, okay, for hoteliers, okay? So everyone in the team has been in your position, okay, or is currently in your position. So we're going to understand your nuisances. We're always going to be there to support you. That's the goal.
good. So what are you doing as a team right now to promote MHO brand?
Promoting MHO brands. We are trying to network within different regions of the U.S., town hall meetings, social media, getting the word out of what we can do. You could contact any of us at any time. Our details will be available. And we could sit down with you one-on-one to go through your each and individual property to see which brand within MHO Hotels will fit your property.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, all three of you, to come to Indus TV, give your time, valuable time and information for the hotel owners as well as the general people, general public to know about MHO Hotels. Thank you so much for your time and efforts, and wish you all the best.
I want to say thank you, Tushar.
Great, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Tushar.
Thank you, Dr. Tushar.
So now let's talk about current situation in hotel industry. Since the pandemic hit last year, many businesses went upside down. What challenges do you face in hotel industry, and what MHO can do to help the hotel owners in the current situation?
Okay, first let me take that. First problem we have facing the labor issue. That's the biggest issue right now in on the hotel industry is hurting more than any other industry because it's very hard to find the labor right now. And solution is that because MHO have a very good, low budget-wise hotel, and we will help them how to be run, cost effective, how we can save the money, how we can do, and our room service is like less than others requirement. They can do like less housekeeping stuff required.
Basically, what happened is all the industries got government help instead of the hotel industry. Even the vendors, especially the franchisees, they haven't been cooperative with us. When it comes to billing, they haven't given us a break, demanding money and threatening us, that we will shut down your reservation system. So instead of helping us, they are creating more problem, especially for the big hotels, because we are not holding events, weddings, and all those, and that's, I think, a big negative issue.
You talk about a your franchise will hurting you by it?
Of course, they are not helping us.
MHA hotels will have training. We'll have a training portal that will help you retain your guests and your employees. Like they said, number one issues that we're having right now is labor shortage, and retain your employees has been a big issue the last few months. And with the training that we have as owner occupiers and being in the industry for so long, you could call one of us and there's ways that how to retain your employees instead of having that turnover, which could cost you more.
So you have a help system already in place right now for those
Exactly.
people who are suffering.
We have regional directors that you could call depending on where your property is, and we will sit down or talk to you over the phone and guide you through what challenges you have.
And also we do have like a technical service also, and there's like by phone call you can do by phone. We can also provide. We also provide online training. We have few help to get our members to get better and better how to come out from the labor shortage issue.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Let's welcome Piyush Patel, who is the Senior VP of Owner Relations, and Manish Patel, Senior VP of Vendor Relations, to shed some light on what are the benefits for joining MHO Hotels.
Basically, MHO has minimum requirements, so it provides you a better ROI, return on investment. Also, it gives you the integrated PMS system, which is very easy to use it and very cost effective.
Besides that cost effectiveness and easy to use, the integrated reservation system and we provide, which brings for small hoteliers which never got reservation from another channels like Expedia, Priceline or Airbnb, which by this using this system, which is very friendly to use, very less cost and more efficient and more effective to get new guests to your hotel.
So who can join MHO? Is there any minimum requirement that which hotel owners can join MHO brand?
The hotelier who don't know how to market their hotel, though it's clean, it's a decent place, very good locations, they don't know how to put their market to the consumers or the customers all over the world, all over the horizon. They are the one who can join us, which is very cost effective. The return of investment is very high and their productivity is very, very high.
So let's talk to Jayesh Patel, who is a Senior VP of Business Development. What are your plans to grow MHO Hotels in next upcoming years?
Right now, just in few months, we already have 12 MHO hotels. We have 10 in pipeline, and our goal is to get about 50 hotels signed up by end of the year.
End of the year?
Yes.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much, all three of you, to join this wonderful talk. on Indus TV and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much for
Thank
Indus
you.
TV to invite us. Thank you.
And thank you so much, viewers watching us on Indus TV. We will be continuing with the next segment very, very soon. Thank you so much for your time.
If you want to meet the MHO team, we will be at the annual AHOA Convention 2021 in Dallas, Texas at the Dallas Convention Center, August 3rd through the 7th. Come meet and greet MHO team members, ask your questions or concerns. We'll be there.
Our booth number is 957. Please come and join with us.
See you there.
See you there.